want to see a nigga get knocked out with a crispy line up.
Yeah.
Hit the breeze first.
Hit the crack.
Bitch, this chicken is cold.
Call one. Oh, yeah. Call one. Oh, yeah. Come here. Big up, big up. Big up. Come here. Oh, yeah. Slap his ass, nigga. Get up.
Nigga, when they don't give you no spoon, nigga, you create chopsticks, nigga. Hold on. They don't give you no spoon, nigga. You create chopsticks. You being good.
He and this bitch playing. Look at it. Got me holding this bitch.
Nigga like, what the fuck? Dog tripping in that bitch, man. Ooh, that bitch came. Oh, shit. Yeah, not over Steve, bug. That bitch went over that bitch. Right. Oh, Ted said he can't wait to take this bitch to the races. I know why the kid about to be tripping in that bitch. You worried about the damn shit.
I got loan money, bitch. Ain't nobody give me shit. I got my own money, bitch. Y'all done put up in the rhymes with the chrome on these bitch. Been spending money since the day I got a hold of the shit. Chrome hard shirts and Mary jeans with the rips in them. Gen 5 Glocks and spending clips.
Y'all, bitch, it's Baby G, man. We got the motherfucking. You feel me? We got the Jeep motherfucker, you know, little Jeep motherfucker. You feel me? We finna, you know, we finna go 5-7, and then you know, we finna go 5-7, you know, and then we go cat in the future. You know what I'm talking about? We go cat in the future. You feel me? We got a little pat right here. You feel me? Yeah. Feel me? Got the transmission, mama. Got the, feel me? Exhaust off the woo off the bam. You feel me? One more week. Give me one more week, and this deal is gonna be done. Yeah, trust me. It ain't gonna be fully done, but it's gonna be. Y'all gonna see the first startup in a week. Yep. Okay, and then let me give y'all a little breakdown. All we need for real is we need our engine. You feel me? This tire stuck on here, so we gonna need a new, you feel me, spindle. Probably a whole new front suspension. We need exhaust, SRT back bumper, SRT front bumper. We gonna come some aftermarket front headlights, aftermarket back headlights. You feel me? Then that's all we need to be, you feel me, on the road driving. But you feel me? First startup coming soon. Stay tuned.
I come help.
Yeah.
I'll be at work already.
The engine is on the ground. It's on the motherfucking ground.
Predicted by Didi. What is that?
Hey, this the man with the plan right here.
Got it off already? No, I just need you to help me got them loosen these bitches.
All right, hold on.
Give me them vice grips. What
Where
you
the,
vice
yeah.
grips you just had?
Yeah, where them?
Put them out. They in the trunk.
They right here.
Let us see them.
They right here.
Nigga, stop putting that in my drink, nigga.
Hey, this is a brand new battery too. You wanna buy this battery from me? Sight dog.
You don't need a battery. The hell?
I'm talking shit.
It's definitely gonna need to be charged though.
Yeah, nigga, we dropped
doing
in. Let me go get this hoist. Let me go get the hoist. Hold on. I'll be back. I'll be back, chat.
I'll get a 10.
Yep. We finna pull that. We finna pull that motherfucker. It's about that time.
Been squirted, nigga. That bitch, bro.
Oh,
shit,
there
watch
you go.
yourself, brother.
Here we go.
We all shit. Everything live. Now all we gotta do is pull this bitch up like we was trying to do earlier.
Yeah. V6 coming out. V8 next week.
Hold on. I got a trick to do. Real quick. Let's do this trick real quick.
Tracks, Hemis, yeah. Y'all see how we? What's your YouTube channel name? We were G ass nigga pulling track park motor out. We were G pulling track park motor out.
Leave that. We good.
When I first met you, I did y'all cheat, and that's how y'all cheat. I ain't gonna lie, that time
Yeah, it's 40 year, man. Y'all see it. Hey, the motor gone. Hey, can't you put the supercharged, like, the plates on top of this right here?
The 5.7 one, not this one, though.
Oh, not the
6 one.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, y'all thought this shit wasn't possible, huh? It's like, no.
This nigga stupid as fuck. Oh, you getting rid of this?
Yeah, we gotta take a couple more little shits off, nigga. This bitch coming out. Pussy.
Have me scared? Hold on.
I mean, it ain't that hard. You gotta unboard a couple screws. Have an engine hoist. Easy.
Gotta give us a little bit more leverage. Ready?
That's a strike. While recording.
Y'all ready?
About that time. Come on, she's squirting.
All right, we got her up. She off her period, y'all. Now we gotta move shit, make sure shit is out the way.
Hold on. I'll be right back, y'all. Hey, check that bitch. Look at that. Look at that.
Bro, move your dumb ass out the way.
Should I get the landing down? Should I try to let it down?
That's what I was about to say, but that shit gonna fall, Brody. Let me see that. Which way do we supposed to twist?
That way. Yep. That's
Towards the way I'm going?
Yeah.
Bro, watch out. Move, nigga, cause if that bitch fall, that bitch gonna fall hard as hell.
Woo! Woo!
I don't think it's breaking. I think that's the part where my Brody, that's this part that broke. The part that's holding the motor still good.
Okay. Yeah. It's dropping down.
Go down though.
It's dropping down. We got it out. V8 coming next week, bitch. It's like, What's this? What's that? That bitch out of there. Yeah. That bitch out of there, man. I'm telling you, next week that B8 going in that bitch, nigga. It's on that. It's on the flow. Come on, man. Get with me, man. That bitch out of there, man. Come on, man. Ooh, y'all want to see a nigga get knocked out with a crispy line up? Hit the crack.
Bitch, this chicken is cold.
Call one. Oh yeah. Call one. Oh yeah. Come here. Big up, big up, big up. Come here. Oh yeah, slap his ass, nigga. Get up.
Nigga, when they don't give you no spoon, nigga, you create chopsticks, nigga. Hold on. They don't give you no spoon, nigga. You create chopsticks. Nigga, we in good.
He and this bitch playing. Look at it. Got me holding this bitch.
Nigga like, what the fuck? Dog tripping in that bitch, man. Ooh, that bitch came. Oh, shit. Yeah, that over Steve, huh? That bitch went over that bitch. Right. Oh, Ted said he can't wait to take this bitch to the races. I know why the kid about to be tripping.